Guys, AI filmmaking is officially hitting the next level. Let's be real for a second. We all know there are dozens of AI video generators out there right now, but if you have ever tried to actually make a full movie with them, you know it is an absolute nightmare. The process is painfully long. You have to manually generate every single shot, cross your fingers that the lighting matches, and pray that your main character's face doesn't completely melt halfway through the scene. But today, we're talking about UtopAI. Yes, you heard that right. This is a brand new tool specifically designed for filmmaking. You can literally create a full-fledged AI film with 100% character consistency in a fraction of the time. It completely solves the manual headache, allowing you to create highly engaging, professional-looking AI films. Welcome back to AI Biceps. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this tool works, how to keep your characters consistent, and how we can make a killer sci-fi movie scene in just 30 minutes. Grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's jump into the screen. Alright, to test this tool, simply go to pai.utopaistudios.com and sign up with your Google account. They give you some free credits right off the bat to test it out. Right away, you will notice the interface is incredibly simple. It operates almost like a smart agent. This is not your standard type of prompt and get an 8-second video generator. You can literally build a full AI film at once here.
So, as usual, I went over to Grok and typed in this massive, highly detailed prompt. I want to use UtopAI to create a 3-minute short film called Story of Yeti. This video is for my audience, and it must feature super realistic visuals that evoke a psychological explorer vibe. The story revolves around 4 characters. In the present day, a grandmother is narrating a story to her 32-year-old grandson Ethan, his girlfriend Lena, and his best friend Caleb, who are researching the Yeti. She tells them the story of what actually happened that night with her 3 old explorer friends, Marcus and the crew, which takes a massive, dark twist at the end. Please provide a detailed storyboard with each scene containing 12 keyframes, a full script, image prompts for all characters and locations, dialogue, sound effects, and background music. I hit generate, and guys, in just a few seconds, Grok spit out literally everything in written format. Now, here is a massive pro tip. I immediately copied all of this text and saved it into a brand new Google Doc. You absolutely need to do exactly the same thing. Stay organized because this document is going to save your life later on. All right, Grok gave us the story style, the title, the character consistency prompts, and the storyboard. Our very first actual job is to generate the visual look for these characters. For this, I'm using GPT Image 2 or GPT's image generator. You can use Midjourney or whatever you prefer, but honestly, GPT Image 2 is just the absolute best for nailing specific prompt details right now. I went ahead and generated images for every single character and location. The young grandma, the 78-year-old grandma, the grandson Ethan, his girlfriend Lena, the best friend Caleb, the old Sherpa partner Marcus, and the snowy mountain locations. Just to keep everything perfectly organized for this tutorial, I pasted all of these images straight into my Google Doc alongside the text. Even though Grok gave me the storyboard earlier, I went back into the chat and asked, please also give me the full story script and a plot summary, so I have a clear idea of what is actually going on. It gave me a super detailed summary, and yep, you guessed it, I copied that and dropped it into my Google Doc too. Trust me, keep saving your stuff as you go. Now, you could just copy and paste that summary straight into the UtopAI prompt box, but here is a much better professional workflow. I simply downloaded my entire Google Doc as a PDF file. But hold on, there's a catch. UtopAI Studio only allows you to upload files up to 6 megabytes. And if your PDF has all those character images inside, it's gonna be way too heavy. So I just went over to a free website called I Love PDF. I dropped my file in there and it literally compressed my massive PDF down to under 500 kilobytes without losing a single drop of quality. Problem solved.
All right, let's head back over to UtopAI Studio. I click on that little plus icon and it opens up a menu with tons of options, uploading images,
PDF scripts, setting the aspect ratio, and the estimated duration option where you can literally select up to a 3-minute video duration. This is crazy because almost no other tool on the market allows you to generate something that long in one go. I upload my compressed PDF script. The AI is incredibly smart. It automatically reads the text and ignores the images inside the PDF. Because of that, you need to manually upload those character images we generated earlier. Make absolutely sure you name your image files correctly with the character's name so the AI doesn't get confused. Then simply click Use as Reference. You can click the assets icon at any time just to double check that your images are sitting there safely. Everything looked fine, so I hit Generate and it started analyzing my entire project. The agent replies, telling me it successfully understood the images and gives me a quick storyboard overview. You need to read this carefully to see if it made any mistakes. And guys, this is hilarious. It actually called me out. It literally said, "Hey, you forgot to give me the image of the 78-year-old Ilara, the grandma, and the Yeti." Oops, my bad. So I quickly went back, generated the 78-year-old grandma and the scary Yeti using Grok and ChatGPT, and uploaded them directly into the UtopAI chat, saying, "Here are the 2 images you asked for." I hit Generate and it replied with a perfect character checklist. Everything looked flawless, so I typed Continue. It then spits out a massive scene plan, breaking down my short film into 5 distinct scenes. Read through this, and if you are happy, just type Continue again. It then generates the final visual looks for the characters in the movie format. And man, they match my reference images beautifully. Next, it gives me a detailed shot breakdown of exactly what happens in every scene and how long they will be. And right here, it gives you 2 very important options: review scene by scene or generate all at once. Listen to me very carefully. Always select review scene by scene. Do not let the AI run wild. You want to be able to review and change every single scene as you go. I hit the review button and it starts thinking. It generates 9 keyframe images for scene 1. Now here's a massive bonus. Generating these storyboard images is completely free. It does not burn any of your video generation credits. Let's look at the images. Keyframe 1 looks great, but then I look at keyframe 2. Wait a minute. Lena is supposed to be holding her boyfriend Ethan's hand, but in the image, she is holding the best friend Caleb's hand. Hold up. The AI is trying to start some romantic drama in my horror movie. We need to fix that immediately. I went back to the chat and typed, in keyframe 2, Lena should be holding Ethan's hand, but she is holding Caleb's hand. Fix that. The agent analyzes the error and gives me 3 brand new image options. I check them out and the second image is perfect. She is finally holding the right guy's hand. I select it and click confirm. Scene 1 is now officially locked in. I repeated that exact same review process for the rest of the scenes. Yes, it takes a little bit of time, but it is 100% worth it because you literally have unlimited corrections for any specific keyframe before you spend your credits. Once every single scene was perfect, I simply typed generate video into the chat agent. It analyzes the entire timeline one last time, and then it cooks. Let me show you the final result.
Grandma, we found your old journal, the 1973 expedition. We need to know what really happened that night. The whole cryptozoology community is obsessed. Just tell us the truth.
Some stories should stay buried in the snow.
That's you, and the 3 who never came back.
It was the winter of 1973. We were 4 fools chasing a legend.
Marcus was our fearless leader. Anil was the voice of reason. Jonas was the dreamer with his camera.
And I was stupidly brave.
Tomorrow, we find the proof the world has been waiting for. Or we find frostbite and disappointment. I'm logging everything. Smile for history, people!
We felt so small and so alive.
These are not human, not bear, not anything on record.
It's Jonas.
Did you hear that? It said my name. Ah! Something is playing with us. It's not real.
We started turning on each other.
It didn't kill me. It chose me.
This is all that's left of them, and of it. The Yati doesn't kill the curious. It marks them. It lets them live, so they bring the bloodline back to the mountains. You have Jonas's eyes, Ethan. Your research has already awakened it. It's already here. It never left.
Yeah, the result is actually super impressive. Now, let's be totally honest. The raw video quality might not be at the exact level of a $100 per month Seedance 2 subscription, but Seedance 2 is insanely expensive, guys. This UtopAI tool literally allows you to generate a full movie with actual narrative, creative control, and consistent characters, all in one place. This is exactly what I have been looking for. A tool that actually lets you direct an AI film rather than just spinning a slot machine for 3-second clips. And the best part, it is getting new updates regularly, so the video quality is only going to get better and better. I have linked all the resources and the UtopAI website down in the description. Go check it out, claim your free credits, and build your own movie.